we discussed about the music on the film, and we agreed that we would only use music for these moments when the character is dreaming about the snow, or like very specific moment to actually get out of the documentary, and the rest is no music. There's very little music, no? So it feels like a documentary. I like very much when they are not underlining and telling you what's going on and what are you supposed to feel, and I don't like that. So I like when the music takes the film to another level. It gives it like another voice, like another character. And I actually like films without music also. Those are the most interesting things for me. Like when I see a director that works with the same composer over the years, you know, like the Coens and Carter Burwell. So because I think that there is like trust in a process, and that's very important, because then it can grow, you know, the film.